Welcome to Becoming Boss C. The Uniform Certified Public Accountant Exam, or CPA exam, is comprised of 4 different sections, each being 4 hours long: auditing and attestation, business environment and concepts, financial accounting and reporting, and regulation. Here's what you should know before you take the CPA exam. I suggest that you review the AICPA's CPA examination blueprints, which was approved by the Board of Examiners. The CPA exam blueprints are so helpful because they break down each part of the CPA exam by providing a section introduction that outlines the scope of the section, the content organization and tasks, and the content allocation by percentage. It also provides a section blueprint that outlines the content that will be tested on each section, the skill level that will be tested, and the tasks that a newly licensed CPA needs to know in order to perform and to be deemed competent. Why should you review it? The purpose of the blueprint is to document the minimum level of skills and knowledge required to become a CPA, and it will also assist you to prepare for the CPA exam. Before we look at the actual blueprints, let's like this video and hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed, because I am giving you free, valuable content that will ultimately help you prepare for the CPA exam. Comment below. I have the blueprint to success. Let's take a look at the actual uniform CPA exam blueprints. Within the blueprint, you'll see that there's a section for BEC, FAR, and Reg, as well as auditing and attestation. So all 4 parts are covered in the blueprints. Let's look deeper into auditing and attestation. So as you can see, it basically shows us what are the requirements to become a newly licensed CPA. Of course, you have to demonstrate knowledge and skills related to the professional responsibilities. And then it goes into content organization and tasks. And it also provides great content and definitions for relevant parts of that certain section. Then we go into content allocation, where it shows all the content areas, such as ethics, professional responsibilities, and general principles. And it gives you the percentage allocation that will be on the exam as well. It gives an overview of the content areas, section assumptions, which basically gives you more tips to completing multiple choice questions and task-based simulations. So there is so much valuable content in these blueprints, and I think that you would really benefit from reviewing this before you take your CPA exam. And the great thing is we have skill allocation as well. So it allows you to focus on the ordering of skills, such as remembering and understanding. That's really like memorization. But then it says, okay, you also need to be able to apply these skills as well, analyze them, and evaluate them. What I really enjoy about this blueprint is that it goes into the different areas. So for example, for audit, area 1, ethics, professional responsibilities, and general principles, you know that the allocation will be about 15 to 25% of your exam. And then it also tells you the actual representative tasks that you will need to know when you're doing your exam. So you need to know how to identify the nature, scope, and objectives of the different types of audit engagements. And so it's pretty much like a syllabus going into each different section and area of your exam, which is extremely useful when you're maybe doing your final review, or maybe when you are actually, in the midst of studying for the CPA exam. So look through this, and I think that you will be set, and you'll set yourself up for success when it comes to taking your CPA exam. There are so many other resources that are in the blueprint that I could go over as well. For example, it provides references of authoritative language that you can reference when you're studying for each part of the exam. And I want you to explore it for yourself, because I know that you want to be a CPA, and I know that I can provide you with videos to concisely report all this, but I want you to take that extra initiative and actually dive into the blueprints yourself to really find the value and look at specifically what you are studying studying for. So if you made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful videos. We are on the journey to 1,000 subscribers. At this point of this recording, we are so close. We're like at 684 subscribers right now. So please subscribe. Also, check out my other video where I explain how the CPA exam is changing soon. I'll link that video right here. As always, stay blessed and stay Boss C.